Hi guys, welcome to World Out Savings. I'm Danielle. Don't mind my appearance. I'm on vacation, but I wanted to stop in and give you your 5 off 25 deals for this Saturday at Dollar General. I'll be back in a moment. Before we get into our deals, just remember, scan your items in the store to make sure they are attaching to your coupons. Another reminder, we have our cheat sheet out on the website and also on the community tab here on YouTube. That will also be linked in the description. Our first pet food deal is $19.45. You're going to get your Alpo, your Purina One, the Milk-Bone, and your Pet Fresh. On this cat food deal for $14.25, you're going to get 10 of the 9 lives, your cat litter, your Temptations, your Airwick refills, and a warmer. Again, that's $14.25. For this grocery deal, you are going to get your Doritos, your Gatorade, your Aquafina, and your Pepsi. And this is going to be $14.80. We have had someone try the Aquafina with the coupon in the store, and they did have an issue with it attaching, so keep that in mind. This food deal, you're going to get your cereal, your chips, your soda, your Hellmann's, and some ranch for $13.95. We have another drink deal here for you. You're going to get 3 of the Dr. Pepper, 3 of the Coca-Cola, 6 of the Body Armor, and 3 of the Gatorade for just $17. On this food deal here, you're going to get 2 Doritos, the Clover Valley Elbow Macaroni, the Hellmann's, the Kingsford, some hefty plates, and some paper towels. $15.20 on that one. We're going to move into personal care now. We have your Pampers diapers for $17.95. That's using a 5 off 25 and a 5 off Pampers. And we have one more baby deal for you. This one, you're going to get 2 of the Clorox wipes, the Johnson's Baby Lotion, the Huggies wipes, and a pack of Luvs diapers for $15.50. This personal care deal, you're going to get your Coppertone, your Stem. You are also going to get the Banana Boat Kids and some charcoal for $14. For this one here, you're going to get 2 of the Colgate toothbrushes, the Colgate Optic White, 2 of the different size Palmolive, and the Swiffer Starter Kit for $13.45. For $10.60, you're going to get your Colgate toothbrush, your Glide floss, Colgate Optic White, Venus razor, and the Ajax. Again, that's $10.60. On this personal care deal, you're going to get 2 Pantene, 2 whole blends, that's the shampoo and conditioner, you can mix and match, and your charcoal toothbrush, $12.45 on that one. On this one, you're going to pay $10.35. You're going to get your Violet razor, your Colgate toothbrush, your Colgate toothpaste, and a Pantene shampoo and conditioner. You're going to get 2 of the whole blends, 2 of the Fructis, and a Skintimate razor. That's going to be $11, and you can do shampoo and conditioner, or just shampoo or conditioner. You can mix and match as long as it's attaching to your coupon. You're going to get 2 of the Axe body wash, the Dove men's spray, and the Dove men's body wash for $11. For this one here, you're going to get your Colgate toothbrush, toothpaste, your Caress, your Pond's, your Venus razors, and an advanced former for $9.85. You're going to grab for $10 your Skintimate, your Garnier Fructis, and your Tresemme. And again, shampoo and conditioner you can mix and match as long as it's attaching to your coupons.
We're going to move into some household deals. On this one, you're going to get your Scott, you're going to get your Tide, and the Downy Rinse for $15.95. You do have instant savings on that Scott still. Our next deal, you're going to get the Persil packs, you're going to get the Persil liquid, and the Downy Rinse and Refresh for $14.40. On that Downy Rinse, if you have not clipped those coupons, they may no longer be available to clip. So I just wanted to point that out too. For this deal, for $11.75, you're going to get your Tide, your Persil, your Airwick refills. You're also going to get some toilet paper and paper towels. Again, that's just $11.75. For this one here, we have Scott with the instant savings, so 2 toilet paper and a paper towel, the Downy Rinse, and some Persil packs. Again, $15.95. We have that instant savings, so if you're doing your own deal, make sure you account for that $3 instant savings. For $10.80, you're going to get your Tide, your Downy, your Lysol Air, and your Lysol Laundry. For $11.20, you're going to grab your Tide Pods, your Airwick refills, and the Advanced Warmer. For $13.95, you're going to get your large jug of your Gain, you're going to get your Febreze Fabric, and your Dawn Power Wash. It is very hard to come up with some good 5 off 25 deals with the Gain right now because we really don't have coupons for them. On this one, you're going to get the Swiffer Power Mop for $15. You're going to grab Persil, the liquid, the packs, the Downy Rinse, and the Clorox Bleach toilet cleaner. Sorry, I'm a little tongue-tied. And that will be just $15.65. For this one, you're going to get the 2 different sizes of the Tide Pods and an Advanced Warmer for $12.95. That's all we have for you for 5 off 25s for this week. Make sure you check out our cheat sheet. Again, that's on our Facebook page. It's also on our website and here on the community tab on YouTube. It's a great way to find a substitution or to help you plan out your own deals. Be sure to leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up. It's a free way to help our channel. And you can find us on rolloutsavings.com, YouTube here, obviously, Telegram, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I'll be back from vacation soon. Bye, guys.